If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much. If you're watching my videos and you've not subscribed, really consider subscribing. It's free of charge and that's the only way you get to support me. So let's jump straight into today's video. Meet my sisters. This is how we start our day when we meet. Don't mind our hair, our dressing. Let's just have fun. Look at this energy. You can tell that we slept at 3 a.m. last night, just telling stories and remembering our childhood. My nieces were around, my nephews. Look at my daughter. Everyone was around. What a great way to start your Sunday morning. One of my sisters and my nephews were preparing breakfast, so we were dancing knowing that something delicious is coming. So 3 of us went to buy dinner and we left the others in the house. Just they were having their time watching movies, others were cleaning. At this time, our bodies were so tired, sleeping late, starting a great day with a very energetic, and now we are in the market. But our bodies are like, yo, you have to sleep, I'm tired. And instead of just going straight to tilapia, we are going to buy tilapia. Look at us, we started impulse buying. Window shopping and impulse buying. These are bags, but they were so nice bags, so many of them, so attractive, and here we are. Yeah, this was our destination. These are tilapia. So we had to buy quite a number because it's a very big family we are dealing with. We had to buy another, but they have very, very tasty tilapia. This is Kenyatta Market, fresh and straight from the lake. And now we're going home. It's just a walking distance from the market. And here's a sneak peek of my country, Kenya. Woo, my country, Kenya. It's now cooking time. These are tomatoes. I'm blending tomatoes. Of course, you can tell who was cooking. Yours truly, Kiki Bryant. Yeah. There we go. This is what we chose for our dinner. It's tilapia, fried cabbage, and we chose ugali as our starch, and some lemon to just cut some excess fat, And we meet again in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to pray. Praise a weapon. Bye. I love you.